In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Verizon phone being stuck on SOS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, today you might be getting an issue where you're just getting no signal at all, you're not able to connect to the internet or your mobile data, which can be really annoying, and you might try some fixes already, but I'm going to walk you through a few to make sure you're running back good to go. So what you want to do is swipe down in the top right, it's going to show your control panel, and what you want to do is just go on to airplane mode, which is at the very top. Just turn it on and then just go ahead and turn it off again. And then basically that's going to reset your mobile data, your Wi-Fi, all of those settings. So go and see if that helps with anything. Then what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go over and scroll down until you find mobile service. Go ahead and click on that. And then just go to your SIM card that has a Verizon SIM. So I'm going to click on my primary, and then where it says turn on this line, go ahead and turn it off and then turn it on again. See if that helps. And now the final thing I want you to do is just go on like the internet, whether it's like X or Google Chrome or anything like that. We're just going to use Google Chrome as an example. And then basically just go ahead and type in your carrier. So obviously we're going to be using Verizon. And just see if Verizon's down. So just type in Verizon down. And basically there is a massive outage currently, with Verizon customers right now in about 50% of the United States, where everyone is basically having outages and wondering what's going on. Like, it's happening in major states, and they're currently working on a fix. So right now we're not able to actually do anything. The best thing to do is just wait. You might want to just go through your Verizon app using Wi-Fi, see if there's anything or any like news that could be looked at over there. But currently there is a national emergency where nothing is being shown. So unfortunately, nothing you do on your iPhone will be able to help. So you might just be without mobile data and signal for the next, day or so. Just check back whenever you're done, sleeping and you wake up in the morning, see if it works. If it doesn't, just give your phone a quick reset by going onto airplane mode for a few seconds, turning it back off and see if you're good to go then. And if not, go ahead and check your browser again to see if Verizon is still down. But if you do have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. I'll try and help as many people as I can down in the comments. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed.